Right, one of these Hikokis. Firing, shooting fine, but you have to keep pressing the magazine. You have to keep pressing up to get the nails to fire. She doesn't seem to want to load a new nail. Have we luck here, see what we can do. Now just remember with these, the battery's out, that pin's retracted, but that is poised, pressurized, ready to fire. So unless you've bled the air to these things, don't be messing about with them. You start dismantling this here and that disengages, it is going to shoot even without the battery. What these do is actually they compress the air as the pin goes back, so once the pin's in fully and locked in place, she's fully pressurized, ready to shoot. So just don't fick about with them beyond that there without bleeding the air. That looks alright. There's just something to do with this. Could also be the nails. Yeah. She's still gone up. She's only just gone up. A new magazine. Just full pressure the whole way up. So that's just sticking on something. So I don't think it's the nails, I think it is this spring. I think she's just getting fouled up, so we clean out, see if that improves it. Right, that's a new one. That's already an improvement. There's no harm in putting a wee bit of oil in here as well. This isn't a DeWalt gun, oil's not going to do it any damage. Inside of here is a completely closed system. Doesn't matter if, even if it was open, it doesn't matter if oil gets into it. So don't be afraid to put a wee dab on if you need to. That was just your stop for whenever you run out of nails. There's another wee spring up on here behind this wee plastic boy. Just don't lose them. Better. That should do the job. That's it working fine now. So if you find that you're not putting out any nails and you seem to have to keep pushing this up for it to load a new nail, just give the inside of this a wee clean out, just in case that's sticking, getting a bit of stuff. The other thing it's going to be is the actual spring itself, which you'll see yourself. You see that down here. You'll see if that's broken. Keep her clean, put a wee bit of oil on it if you need to. The oil will do it no harm.